The Filipino antonyms masaya, which means happy in English, and malungkot, which is sad. Masaya, malungkot. Masaya, malungkot. Masaya kami sa inyong tagumpay. We are happy for your success. Masaya is happy, kami is like we, and then inyo is your, and then tagumpay is success. Masaya kami sa inyong tagumpay. Malungkot siyang umalis kanina. He or she left sadly earlier. Malungkot is sad siya. Is he or she? It's gender neutral. Alis means to leave. And then kanina is earlier. Malungkot siyang umalis kanina. Ang bawat araw ay masaya kapag kasama kita. Every day is joyful when I am with you. Ang bawat araw, bawat is every, araw is day. So every day, bawat araw. Masaya is happy kapag is when. Kasama is like with. Kita is you, like with you. Ang bawat araw ay masaya kapag kasama kita. Ikwento mo ang malungkot na pangyayari. Narrate the sad incident or tell or share the sad incident in a way. Kwento is like a story, and then mo is you, malungkot is sad, pangyayari is an event. Ikwento mo ang malungkot na pangyayari. Happy in Filipino is masaya, and sad in Filipino is malungkot. Masaya, malungkot. Masaya, malungkot.